yeah, share this video. Share this video, guys. Share this video. Share this video. When I come, you wanna sit down. You don't get popcorn. Go buy Coke. You don't get Coke. Go buy beer. You don't get beer. Buy water. I want you. Okay, now what's I don't want drink. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video, man. Because you have a story where I'm moved. Don't you know where Aku tahu mana saga. Watch that video. Share this video. Share this video. I said share this video. Give me one beer. 3 toto for me there. Give me 3 toto. Hey, I live for you. Hey, stand over here, Doc Mike. Give me 3 toto. Oh. I want to back one. Give me 3 toto there. Give me 1 toto there. Give me 3 toto there. Ami maya be. Jeje opa meko. Ori ma yagbe. Are bi e na gbe o. Oro we gbe o. Oro mi gbe. Ifula. Okay now. I'm in my wallet. Okay now. Share the video. When I call all of the camp, let's sit down. Stay for front seat. Okay. Jealousy won't kill them. Jealousy won't kill them. Jealousy won't kill them. Il faut bien bien voir. Que l'on regarde. Que l'on regarde. What's the young? What's the young? Give me the toto. The mama e can no tie. Oh, sister, no daughter, man. Daughter, no make a good can all. Me and my attacker and my daughter lay here the girl. Woman attack girl. Woman attack you a girl. The mama, I tell you, Mozo, I tell you, I tell you, periodically. The woman, how are you? I wish I wrote a bossas. Here with a juju. I will be here with a juju. I will connect Ben and Obo. I want to know who with the juju. I was so. I was so corner. With the link toto, with the link toto. I was so. Nonsensical boy. Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better stuff. Watch out right there. Please, guys, share this video before I start the talk. So, enough of the music. I want to talk. I want to yarn. Me, I take Ujuku for sale. This is oh, it's like so to do my drink. I want you. Wadodo rima. Wadodo rima. Wakoyo yedo nuzomo. Umegwa hiabe gwa. Emu megwa hiabe gwa o. Iwu yare. Iwu megwa hiabe zabeta. Wa aga video na see the hot the ball and don't play. No watch out much in the room when you have a wow. And you love ye. I wear boy and look. I was starting about the big when I wear me. Eh, all woman winner is Saga, Bossy or Goo. I won't go drop. Yes, he's a one bus. I will not send a dummy that will have hey, man, I never will drop what that game. As for yesterday, so yet, oh, Gumaga, Mamma will take him. Oh, what are you saying? Are you a Christian? Any Christian home when Nigerian are not a Christian. Oh, go support Christians and I'm aware of going beneath, they are very, very hot. Oh, one well to let's go there. Share this video. As you all know, this is Frank Victor, the man, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media boss, the social media Enyiwa, the social media Akobisi, the social media Avia Lily. The social media Eliki Bar. Yes. Moi baba with this man. I just deal with my drink. I want you. Yeah. Without wasting much of the time, because I'm not going to waste time here in this video. Let me remove my eyeglass. You're not listening when I talk to you. I'm going to talk. I say a message to my ex-godmother, Iyegu. Yes. Iyegu is my godmother. The reason why I come out this morning, please share this video. Now, two things make me come out this morning. The calls where I receive and the video where I see, because I don't watch Iyegu finish. Again, where I watch and record the verse like yesterday. You know, say I dey come yesterday night to come shock my wife, to come surprise my family. I don't know, say my wife don't already do video. You don't, you go to get down. You might go to saga. Thank God, say I started straight station. I can't put them for life. So as I dey come, I see for the rights for the platform. Oh, say the man I got to use this platform to do saga. So yes, my wife and my admin. Yes, she's my admin. She never use Instagram. My wife use Instagram. Before my wife will do anything for Facebook, she's supposed to let me know. But definitely before I do anything, they let me know. I was shocked. I said, "What is that?" Unless maybe all those my children content, they do content, they do things. If you do one, without even telling me, so that's not I do things. You know, if I sing, I go get joy. If you post on, you want to sing, God will sing, go they sing. If you do one without letting me do anything, want to talk to my social media people. If you tell me, I'm going no. If you only time you tell me, I'll say no. Or yesterday, you do the video, you don't tell me. As I come, I listen to our video. I listen to my go do video. I listen to my go video. I think no need for you to apologize. Forget, you are very, very right. Yes. And live video talking, so the video with my wife yesterday, she is very, very 100% correct. That's a wife that genuinely loves her husband. Yes, if her husband back, she need to defend her husband. Every woman will do that for their husband. And I give her a hand of applause for that. You understand? If two women fight, now to beat her, they draw themselves. Now, what now make me do this video? I'm not supposed to talk to Michael. The reason because she's my landlady, at the same time she's my former godmother. Now go make me not go talk to Michael. Now go make me not go feel so to Michael. You understand? Now go make me not go feel insult her. But she is looking for a big fight from me, which I no go give her. The just major reason why I no go give her because now my former godmother, and at the same time now my landlady. You understand? Now make me no go feel come out for live video, come insult her. But I only come out here, come correct her. Because now woman she be. You understand? And I see her mood yesterday, which they talk. You see, I felt do video between she and Monica when that Friday happened. I not fit jump my go they beat Monica. I not fit jump Monica, they beat my go. If I want beat Monica wrong, I go beat her on my own. For good 2 years, we are to Saga Monica. Nobody tell me say Saga Monica. Now what Monica do? Now I Saga. And on this media, nobody they tell me say Saga this person. If you bring person matter for me, I cross check and investigate on my own. I see the person wrong. I will come out for the person. You understand? Nobody call me for force say, Yagbe Monica or Yagbe Lolo. No. All of now we did this media, we talk about Monica and Lolo. Nobody send on a message. Nobody send all of us message. Now the atrocity where they bring on media now we can analyze. Simple. So the point where they talk say, I want to be Monica. Here myself we are there. That one is totally wrong. Do here so we saga. Or ye mata we saga. You understand? That one number one. Number two, year go when you are going on streets. Number two, year go. The day where I leave Germany, come Italy. Now you know me rich. If you don't know, make you know now. As my godmother, it is what I want you to know because I know say women, their heart know they hold something. Get where go go bust them out. You understand? So it is what I want you to know. Now you go know. And what thing I want you to know, if you still know if you come with an okay person, you go there, go talk. Those things where you know about me, where you never talk, you go. La woo. I just go beg you. Come out, come talk. Don't like that you like the time. Because that is your mission now. Because I know who you are fighting for. And I know the reason why you are doing all these things. It's done. I know who you are fighting for. And I know the reason why you are doing all these things. That one, they one side. Here go. One particular big one will make me come out this morning. One can talk. I'm share this video. When I call you, we make us sit down. One particular big one will make me come out. Wait till make me come out. This agbada we are wearing, so now you sew one for me. This agbada we are wearing, so now you sew this agbada for me. That's why I sew one to want to address you on your video. Please share this video. One particular word that is very, very mighty. When you talk, you say the marriage when we do now destiny no be a bagwa or sagwe no be a bagwa. Now buy things of marriage for me. Say the family of my wife no accept them. You go carry your children for back. I go give you paper for it. I'll give that word. I'll give you paper. Or attack because destiny call even the destiny don't call me already. Till not next generation now. Destiny no. Give me 1 cent for my marriage. After my marriage, as the one all of them see my marriage for social media, now so Destiny see her for social media. Destiny call me, they met me. Say, when now we married, mama tieme. Now we married, you see, you don't be saying that at a joke. Destiny dog call me 2 times this morning and not pick. I see I want enter live. On this phone, until they play music now. As I want enter live, I say, I don't see 2 missed call of Destiny. What's happen? Maybe not know. Now it's okay. Make I go check. Me I call them back. Now I take call Destiny by. I call tell me say, see what they show for social media. See the video where they cut go give on. You understand? Say he go say that he bad things for me for marriage. How come? When that one thing happen? See Wait to. When I see the 2 missed call, this one the 2 missed call. This one the one to call him now. The one to call him back with this one. This one is 2 missed call. Today. I said today, this morning. See ya. Be enough is saying na scam. Just say, when me tell buy you things, all those kind of things, I say, boom, me want even enter live video. You understand? All the lie, we lie. I want to enter live video, come talk to her. No verse. Anything when they talk on media, only time verse you. You understand? Last time. One thing my wife let now, let me tell address one thing about beneath cyberspace live video presenters. You see, another verse say, a frank in a connection, you get connection with destiny, get connection with Eruwala, get connection with this one, get connection with this one. Another one thing, when I see me for Facebook, saga continue, after Facebook, I have other things else I'm doing. That I will not come to Facebook to say it out. In life as a man, you have plan A, you have plan B, you have plan C, to plan Z. If plan A no works, switch to plan B, plan Z. For the past how many months for this Facebook, I know they collect Nietel, I know they collect 1 naira. But I still do live job. I was constantly on social media, but I was not any money on social media, and I was living fine. And they still for a house, we said they pay 450 euro a month. You understand? I was living fine. Many of them, when they talk to me now government house now day. And here go they come and say, "Ya go fuck me now, ya go fuck me now." Me on where the me agaje. If say where I sit ali, e wan room gaje. You understand? Abi you ga life me, ya gaje na re 1 room, na re 2 room. Papi you pa life me, ya gaje. Na le côté, from ce côté, il n'a la 2 bedroom. Il met un Kevin, 2 bedroom flat, et me gaje. Abi you life me, and I was paying my house rent constantly. For the past how many months? How many years now? 1 year plus now. You understand? Imagine the way you target get that woman, that woman is here. There you go. I will always accept everything for you. I will not allow you to be insulting my wife or disrespecting my wife. I will not allow you to be insulting my wife. Who can't wear before. A rubbish will tell you there. Who wear or remember where we. Who tell me, mama. A few days ago, you understand? Because why? I did respect you. I did respect you. One even though which I know. You understand? I was just respecting you as my landlady and as my ex-Godmother. Imagine my other with a camera that made media. Imagine my web camera that made. Media. For you to come out on social media, even we are sort of for back in our own back, which I keep calm. I swallow the insult because you are older than me. You can be my elder sister. I swallow the insult. You also bring it on social media. Where say social is a guy you can now because other work man order for you it's a guy you can now. You now bring it on social media to start insulting my wife. Without my wife insulting you. Not 1, not 2, not 3 times. Each time you insult my wife always complain. You know, a woman I see her, don't throw me to her. I don't want to see you insulting her. If she likes giving you a polite insult, in anyhow, forget her. Leave her. Take her and say, insult you. You understand? You keep on doing it and doing it to the extent. Know that you have the guts to come out on media where a working man say Jezebel. You have the guts to come out on social media because I said Godmother. You cannot tell me who to marry. I give you a respect as my ex-Godmother and as my landlady. We can't marry. I called you where you can't marriage. You told me who must sign any marriage. Kevin. You cannot tell me who to marry. If you agree, would that be where I have me? Kevin or mene. If you didn't win a quay, in a way, what he didn't make me more Dionua. Mohiam, what is Mogolo, what have me? Who am I saying you? Yeah, because that one don't go to marriage. I be one here before. You came out on social media, you are insulting me. I have never come out on social media to insult your husband. I always respect your husband. Each and every time I go to Rome embassy, Benin, Nigeria embassy, other where he may like, or you like my your marry back. He go take me go back, go enjoy myself. And I will never insult him. And I can never insult him. Because I see him as a responsible man. Because why? If you talk with him, what's not clear, I go see later on say, what you talk is not clear, you do respect. Face to face, this will not be backyard. He know me. Then for you to come out and be insulting my wife, when I called you, say I want to do marriage, your husband prayed for me, but you were angry with me. You were angry where you need sanity near Maria Kevin, where Kevin is older than me. And you forget that age is not number. Nobody tells me who to marry and who not to marry. You are not my mother, but you are my godmother. And I respect you for that. And I serve you for that. You understand? I serve you for that. And I still earn you that respect. But you are trying to bring down that respect. Don't let me kill that respect. Don't let me kill that respect. If I kill that respect, you will not like me. That's the truth. If you want to put yourself in the category of those newsers, let me know. Send me a letter. And I know how to handle those nuisance. That's my area of specialization. You understand me now? That is my area of specialization. I respect you. I respect your household. But the way you are disrespecting to the extent you even trauma to my family. You were even insulting my family yesterday. You go let this be the first and the last. You see that house where I buy, what they do for your land, so where I buy, so I not send that house. So. If you don't know, if you provoke me, if I vex, that house, I feel born for your presence. That is me for you. Don't make me vex. Don't provoke me. You should not boy in your way. You should not boy in your way. You did not call me. You have anything you want to. If my even though if let's assume my wife insults you. If now you can't burn me, now you want marry woman give me. Let's say for instance, you my biological mother. Your daughter went to Nigeria. Now you marry the boy we marry for her. No be able that choose back or give you after education. She decide who to marry. Why you don't carry man for abroad? Give your daughter. Say you like to choose for people. Why you don't carry man? Give your daughter. Now me where you see for road. I like your doings. I love your doings. I come close to you. You come close to me. We become friends. Respectfully. Why all this many talk? You're gonna know you know that you talk. What you don't know big person. Now, you said destiny buy my marriage things give me. Like seriously? So now I want to enter saga. Only we hear la saga. Where I see your boy awebo. Ya vebo with destiny no day. There's not dolo day. In short. Amen. Ordinary pure water. Pure water is the cheapest now. In fact, chewing gum. So destiny buy chewing gum give me for my marriage. Why you see the reason why you guys are jealous? Because you guys doesn't really have things upstairs to offer to people. You guys believe that you guys will always collect for big men. You don't even know you can also give to a big man. You see the reason why me and destiny will be like this? All those big men, you see, they make friends with them. They're my friend. You know why? You give me, I give you. If you give me, I give you. Don't always be on the receiving side. Destiny, if you can't 5 million, give me now cash. If Destiny want to do anything today, I feel use 10 million blessing. That is how friendship be tight. If Destiny need my help, if comes to remember, give me the person work. If I worry, give me an hour, send me I go run for you. I go run for you. I not collect one set for your hand. He go there, he might say, a boy now on your bonoye. He might be small, he might be a nuisance, but on your bonoye, us you work at me. If we get your private number, anytime I have a problem, you know you can call you. Remember, Alpha, now, I work no problem. Alpha, Destiny, if you know this, no problem. He not go see say you small, he go stand for you on your back. That's how to grow friendship. The problem with you guys on social media. You feel these guys are big men, they get money. You don't know how they make their money. You feel they are big men, they have money. You guys can only be distracted from there. I was so happy when you come and say a destiny or Demi Nia will marry. Good and fine. A destiny or Demi Nia will marriage. That means I'm a big man. If another big man buys this for me for my marriage, that means I'm a big man, man. And we're supposed to know we are not in the same category. That means for him to buy me, Nia will marry. That means me not sorry. You don't feel the vibes. You don't come on. A destiny, my brother, you're supposed to shame for yourself. Destiny, a passport, Nigeria passport, no go now. Destiny pay for that Nigeria passport for you. You understand? You don't pay a Nigeria passport, no go board down with your passports. Here you go. Where they be waka we go me? They be waka no. We might tell me una be waka. We must tell me una be waka. We might tell. No, you always short no, because I won't win now. You understand? You won't win now. So you are not emphasizing, you are not fighting for her. You are not fighting for her. The same you that have humiliated her, insulted her on this social cyberspace, call her out from names. Iye go la wo. Iye ira ya yin. Ira yi no kpari agwa ne do ya yin la wo. Mami ogbo ni ma gbe na vie gwele yi. La ho ge gwe ni wa wi. I use God beg you. This video, now video to come and apologize, to come and beg you to stay away from me. In terms of my wife, don't even go there. Ya gu eku. Ude okuri na ya gu eku. Uga we uhewe mukia. La wo uhewe ni. Ozagbo no mame. Si uhewe ni ame. Call. Uhe sugar no ame. Wasile odo. Wasiluhe sugar odo. Uhewe na. Oya ozagbo no mame. Oya me ya me nwa. Oya me ya tikwe. And I love that. Please. On no condition should you insult my wife again. La wo. Respect is reciprocal. Please, I beg you. You have been humiliating her on social media. I kept quiet. I mean, I believe that yes, the Almighty Bevisaga. Almighty Bevisaga. So you saw why in your way. Stay away. And my wife will never talk to you again. I've given her the last warning. Before she do video, she had to let me know. She apologized for that. And she will never do that again. Lahore, stay away from my wife. I marry my choice. Okay? If I choose to marry that woman, it's not my choice. I can even marry that woman that is even older than her. It is my choice. Okay? Nobody tell me what to do. My own father cannot tell me who to marry and who not to marry. Not to talk of Godmother. If that's why you are angry with me, stay away from me and my wife. Simple. You saw nobody in your way. A page who, a page mana who, a page of Muya Jawabo. A page or Muya Jawabo. I have things upstairs I am doing than page. Stay away from me. Stop monitoring me. Stop being a monitoring spirit of my life. I am no longer your God's son. You can be my landlord, my landlady, whatever. If that's what you think that gives you the audacity to be talking to be insulting my wife, stay away from me. You shall in your way. Do your more and leave me in peace. You shall in your way. And they beg you now. The whole world wanna share the people wanna hear me. Because if I start my own, because she do all these things, I just lock up. You know me, be fool. Emi bu ni here to tie life now. No where who you go? Who are too smart? You feel say I know they hear your secrets. What you they do? I lock up. You wanna be you are. I don't want to talk. Stay away from me. I'll bang up in that bow when I way. He barber you want to buy it for life. He may hear you down. They tell you now. or honor be Jesus Christ in way. It's not my business. Stay away from me. I use God beg you. Stay the hell out of my life and my wife. See, you not consider the relationship with me, your boy who way. If you want to talk to me, say anything you can say to me, but anything concerning me, don't in your life insult my wife again. That I will not take. Osolobo will say, Osolobo no way. Imagine video we no there. Osolobo lo kunu, Osolobo no gumi am marian. Because what get the video we ga no there. Then we ya go no there, ya insult working no there. Maybe not the man of Vengbe. Because I see the verse for that video we do. If for too rough for me, I used to yesterday. Because the way for take fall out for you for not like me. I thank God say I calm myself. Iye go la o so boy anyway. My baby. After where I'm busy, I'm I can no one be cut together. You be my grandmother. I can't say no be my grandmother again. No be problem now. Many godfather. I'm not this godfather man. You cannot say you're my godfather. You go to control me. How dare you? Anybody control me? How can my godfather be controlling me? I disfather my godfather. You be my grandmother. I say you don't look at my grandmother. Simple. You say because of me that they insult you. Okay, come out on media. Again, grandmother, man. We know the rapport again. Basta. Did we give pork nose? Did you when you know, say, I'm a useless person. I'm a very crazy niggas out there. I feel paro. Okay, you define where I was saga you so that you correct my house. Now you define Abi. Now I know that now be your plan. We have a one move or say about. We have a one move because that's your plan. Because now you still come on social media content and say I get house. Because now where you know rich, now that they are no say I know how I should stop talking to you. Then when I tell me that they are bugawe, but I get Frankie Mwa, go, Frankie this one. Don't remember walk now, tell him man. Don't know. I mean, who not tell him man. You think say I be fool? All those people when they come and ask. You think say I be fool? I don't know what they do. My sister, la go. You start buying your way because of the respect we I get for the family. I make people see they beg you. La go. Do you answer saga who that the work? What the work you I know say you be single, but now your husband not dey. You want to do saga? Wa agree wa fi boy now. La go. What you mean? If you like you saga even na ex, I don't go talk to you. When the saga wa that when you say media now. Imam Gwayo. I not talk put. I not join your husband. I not join you. I quiet. I only come out to advise you now. As a mother, as a father. And that's what I've been doing all these years. Giving your husband an advice. Also giving you an advice. I mean, you wouldn't. I not join your husband. I not join you. If I join your husband, some of the things where your husband will talk, I say, but this will not make sense. You can't say this to your wife. No, eh? Me and your husband, see your husband, they come and they flex me. Anyhow. Oh, we're going for my power, but calm down. No worry, I will talk to her. I will talk to her. They know a problem with. Okay, we don't have to work back, so I know when I work from here, prim. You want to start to do saga? You want to start to do saga? I will wait for you. Respect your old age and go inside. Do saga. Topic media. People talk. Put. People full Facebook with the talk for people. This saga with the grand so. Different bloggers they carry and they cut time. Different people they use and they cash out what to now. Then they get their view. Must you come out to come and insult my wife? Now those same women where I live. Then they can't insult my wife because why? Now my wife had married. I don't marry them. I feel their pains. Now me fuck them. They know they will insult me now. Now my wife the day after. I feel their pains. You can still come out now. You can't say now your own work on worst. If everybody they insult my wife, you will still come and insult my wife. You get the thing your my wife do. I did share your video before. Anything you post, I make you admit to my page. If I want to say, hey way. If me do video, they don't see my video. And so wait. That's now I remove you from admin. I remove you. People they choose that I just to say, Sissy, if you admit my page, she still be my godmother. If the one saga you, this is another saga me the saga you. I remove you from admin. You call the phone verse. For your mind, you said I'm Mark Kevin, I can remove you. That was your thinking. I said I'm Mark Kevin. Mark Kevin, what I want to do. I mean, tell them what you want to do. Now if they control me, I look like man where woman they control. If you get the cus, and there's man where woman they control for abroad. We laugh about this whole issue. You go la wo so why you see la wo you ma only go I don't want to offend anybody. I just gotta beg you. Destiny not paying 1 cent. Contribute 1 pen to my marriage. Not be saying obviously do one. You can do it in thousands fold. In million fold, you can do it. You understand? My marriage was unknown to nobody. Except my family member. And the husband, the members of my wife. Family of my wife. You see my life? You come and say, they not give me wife. Who will manage it? They manage it. You go, come and tell me people that goes there. That say to you. They manage it. If you give me my life, I ban them. Anybody, if just say if you don't know. If you know my hair, don't say it. It matter marriage with soldiers. Again, not calling no give. I'm here a phone. If you don't know, you know now. What a video. I be matter my way. Oh, you matter my way. And no, you might wonder what's in my video. The person calling no thing have video the event video kitchen your girl. Immediately the girl really came. What a video be a phone. That's what a phone. Who sent you? Where were you videoing? I know it's part of the family. And it was what I call a logi. But what to do? Agbor one. You go to give him advice. Agbor one should stop that evil act. Pastor. The man I'm marriage. I've told you to start number. This is what I want you to know that you know. If you know my that's what make me a man. Man must have his own secret. Kill it all with that man. Many of our fathers they die with their secret. You don't feel so? Just imagine for instance, I'll put up everything to you. When they know that I know the ones who are tallow. You know what I tell them, what tallow. What you saga. You see? You see? The same I you are that make me know who you be. That's the I you are. Now make me know who you be. And it was true. Young say they are on working. Go on a good one. Because if you don't go back away, you want to tell me. You try to put it on people's head. On a no, uji no, eruji warna, a lot of things. Ima only go can la wo you so why wo. Do you do saga me? Take my wife out of it. Okama me no wood we. Okama we there. Mozego kan we. And introduce you to my wife. You understand? Mozego walking me on way. So stay away from my wife. Maybe time with that way. Stay away from my wife. Give her 100 feet. Ima you go yamare. Ima mo we go yamare. Uma oni mare. Uma oni mare. La wu. Ima oni mare. Imare ne church veno. E church veno. No he ni tamawe. La ru tai. Because when you call me, I must give you something. Because you called me to get information from me all the time. You called to get information from me. So definitely I must give you the information you needed. You know when you make now your boy, you know tell live video because I don't know a day like this will come. You are expecting me to come and saga you. No, I'm not saga you. I will only give you advice. Okune mo do on no way. Do we mo do mari no meme. If woman on the husband has, you must not be crazy. You respect your dignity. There are many single mothers out there who don't get man for us. They don't get man for us. They are more unique, more responsible than who get man for us. At your age, if we are going to live video. Your husband has tried everything possible to make sure where this kind of saga masunu. This is the reason why they're gonna pump normally back to back. This is the reason why. Because he knew you would go astray. We last year we live video where a destiny day in Naya with marriage, maybe na me was so destiny reki. Destiny we my were there. I was shocked when Destiny was talking just now. Here was the video woman go. In my woman they have anything. Me when man go lele here have anything. Now ask Godmother no. Ima what can go ask Godmother woman modi. Me no go go Godmother go here me him ya marriage. See na life. What was smart. I'm smart. A family me, my own family. Don't know anything about me. Apart from the day they bomb who got a say house. Since we enter abroad, they don't know anything about it. The day for you, I'm family getting past level boy, getting you boy. I decrease. If I come from family now, Alpha, they can't work with me. You go now, and they know what we're on. The fit them say they want to say I just lock up. You go, I boom. Until I get the bond, I get come in to talk. You go and go one Alpha. Give me your contact. Bless and months. I don't know. Don't even. I got me bill. Bo Adam baby. That's what. That's all. He may be a shot. But he may be level. But to the young. I follow up what to do. They ask to me ho. No, what did you do? How? What say Bonico? What Billy Rang? How it's your winner? Where do you talk? Well, they never put come to few new with you. And brought a lie where elbow film with you. Elbow film with a guy. Go let change your skin. Not change your brain. About you could decrease when I definitely decrease for abroad. No man, forget that you know. Our money I only allow, but we are see a cutter. You are see. But I could be set. My brother coming. My sister brother coming. Memoir. When we can go there, where you could be I love who could be I about like my girl forget that matter. My cousin, even you, hey, got a video. Even you meet my cousin anyway. From today, I got a video man. Shift for this matter. My cousin anyway. Well, la honia, CI, big best la CI. Now, my cousin anyway. Pastor. They don't want to talk. Family mind anything about me, will handle anything about me. When any family. You understand? La wu. You might want to you can insult me, you are very free. You can use me group and make a problem is wrong. That is me. Even me stand uniquely. Because in that way, this saga where they grand so. If you be present and using a cash out, you are your own. We are going to go wala ho. We are going to go we analyze what we go and look at Esther talk show. We record hey my people, here they go to post profit away. They don't want. Hey, when I see you take cash out, I know the verse put. Any which one I wave around here and business with the run for this. Now money will define. You don't follow up, no level. Me go a little with now. I want to focus you. Oh, mommy, let the care lead. Only me focus you. You guys cannot do that. Why to change it? Also, the men are okay. If I hold one person, I go for because I go drag you. Any I work me. Oh, only Jesus Christ go out. Even what do have us? Do have us? I don't get your time. Mama, la we use all anyway. For the sake of the old time, the good time, the bad side, we have together. Please, I beg you, stay away from my wife. Don't stay away from me. You can insult me, but a working man or all. Anybody insult me, not follow us. Saga. I don't want to hear say you on live video. They do the saga. Anybody will insult me. Leave them. Let me know. If he worth it, I will tell you go ahead. If he doesn't worth it, stay away. Simple. Don't insult anybody because someone insult me because we make believe on the bune. Me no agree make believe on the bune and I know even make believe I believe for truth. Here go. Regards that doctors legend. Regards is there any adulterous man I drag out that doesn't have proof of it? I'm asking you. Is there any adulterous man on social media service person may see legend? Remember me people legend. And so who were 85% of those adulterous men, their husband brought them to man pebble. Which you know. You go lie, stay away from me. What you don't know might be bigger than you. Stay from me. Every year you time away. Stay away from me. Ola Coco talk show. You know it is true. Even you know it was true. You beg me to die that matter. Oh, you can wear a frack here. You go la ho. You saw by your way. La ho. You saw by your way. La go go. You want to let the in way. Every sort of hammer. And why you need your way. What you are telling me to be a no problem. No problem. So I will grow. When in the might grow now, you just go loud where we grow. Now you know women do after even do after that. Understand? Is it not a shame when the middle of the web may grow with TikTok, with Facebook? We might grow. We are going down for we are smelling that for him. And in Facebook, we may what do I know what you make dinner and make grow and I give me. When no see now. Since we I leave you, you not can grow again. Me can't grow. Na me they call the wash. Get go down. Oh yeah, go see you go aye. Why leave my go for not leave my go. You understand? It be already soon. Why all this talk? We are here if we do go with saga la wa. A saga no be children food. Saga no be children food. Saga na ya we analysis. Saga not be analysis. I just gotta beg you. Okay, yeah, my picture well adian. More edit here. Am I the one that bring out the post? My picture was there. And I slept with you. I have no a party you look mother a brezar mother a nipo a mother a Facebook another nipo. Upon and I like to toto a Facebook another nipo. No more copy. I never see you look breast before. I never they carry if you know who if you know not take yeki or ladian or we you come on. We are here Asaboro. I never see Asaboro brezar. Una don't make person go to talk with me to go to talk of that video. Imagine that Asaboro brezar. The class Asaboro Jonah win. No panora only Napoli vendors only here that imagine only kill my man no man. Man understand? Yeah, the my one. I don't tell you pack here lost why you pack people do what. You go we pack people do now. Men guy man on akpanari. Me I don't know why you go. And maybe you marry again. And I believe those guy read to like what be. On give me mo area. Na no level. Ask your daughter your you so called you. Ben abi why you say I don't agree. Imakwe. You understand? Because nothing can put one woman for say snap be. If now my girlfriend they come, where they want come? Yeah, what you telling a lot of things. Now you quit. Oh, so my ya on here. No, do I make us live video now? No, do I show live video? You tell me you are ready to do what? You ready me as your wife? My mama ready. I don't marry that now. Do you remember the book me marry? I was still hustling. Bad guy. What are you saying? 3 to 2 for me. Give me love and like. Share this video. You understand? All those women are not there. I never shot because never shot their pecus. They don't join the Jonah, they join they join a Jonah. You understand? Is that me or sister Napoli and we can say sister but the necessity is Francis. But this is no dig when I this is no momiletical Papillona. Sister Papillona is the yard of them all. The of the because that one are 40 to 2. Then I try. That one have done 41. You understand? Imagine no see problem you and me. Why all of them just the front verse for me one. They no problem what. Woman go commit adulterous. Their husband carry a matter for me. I can't blast them. What is the problem for inside? See, you go la wo. You want to go somewhere you la wo. Stay away from woman. If you know what that program, adulterous program must stop. If you know the home we don't repair. No, can't give me not gonna give me drink every month. Not gonna give me drink. The one way phone stubborn, now they beat for live video. The one way I settle inside house. No. We no go feel no. The one way I settle indoor, we no go feel no. For this Italian, what would they show? Now every time for live video, you think I'm just stupid? When I answer most work anything, you yourself know where you're stupid. You yourself know how many people are settle for life. Sometimes I'll conference you. Sometimes you go with the call. I'll put you on call. Maybe they listen. After the hang thing, the draft is. When I did Jenny, I'll put you on call and you listen. What are that? You come in there, call the top. Who you want to impress? Who you want to impress? I mean, what? We are impressed. We come with Bine. We family want to live la or could be here on this one. It might be true. After all, I don't know them anymore. It might be true. They may give it. May truth be one. So any of them know you live on this one. You are benefiting, not benefit your boy. They feel the vibes. You go, you know what? Now be what me send you go give me. They may give it by. It may so we are the one make give. It may so we are the. You go on make give me. Me no water. Now be you may send you go give me now. What be was the go give me? Was I go no my man? Now be you may send you go give me. You go me so we are the one make give me. Give me go make up where they do just my be what go make give me no do ready ma. You go stay for me. Susu we la lo so be wa. Ya la lo ni san. You stand. Or akekene or we are say the whole world. Or akekene or we are say the whole world. My keke. Edinu gbe my keke yego. Edinu gbe o my keke or akekene or we are say the whole world. You go stay for me. Don't really work what respect with this. If you not cost be what, you might discuss it with you again. Since I got married, because why I will be about what I way. You go loud so why you will stay away from me. Stay here away with me. I be why I married Jesus Christ. It's not my business. Or be 100 children of Jesus Christ. It's not my business. Over your beer. Me I like now you have a beer. You have any domo. I'm okay with one half. Me dey rock on go abuna. Me dey have a beer say. I'm not better of your body like this. You go stay from me. You go na be me. Me can be golom no ho be me. E me kwa mo me golom ho no be me a. Abetu ya no bia ni me. Let me know. But now I feel it from you. That's the truth. Or how you put it from in the banner. Anybody that's coming, you feel this from. Once done. You don't have got in there. Yeah, really good. Like attitude where any woman when they come and ask now, collect for go for someone drop. I really get laugh. While I will, you saw where you are. I don't know what you go and go allow. So the boy in your way. Where you have done now, no come with no come with so. You go lao. Lao. Stay your own lane. Stay your own lane. I tell you, Godmother, am I going Godmother? A problem with Roa. I don't understand. Where give your mama? You when they come and they give me advice. If you come before you come for life, you don't advise yourself. See, what do you want to do so? If Frank you are going, and do I do event and we'll start a video where you need to come on. Yeah, who you come on way. And do I do home and do tell home? Can you imagine? You go, what's the problem? Why you had to judge you? What did they happen? What did they do? You don't go come my house. I fix with no office for them. We not do anything. I don't know you my pants. As we true finish, we'll come out, we'll go to market, we'll do shopping. First, we'll come outside. Inside garden. Why we not do the prank inside my room? We do the prank inside garden. Everybody work on your escort enter boss. She enter boss with the daughter. Everybody work on your way. Since how many years? Well, you don't know, Nobody here view me away from me. If you not view away from me, I don't know. Nobody, Your breast there with me, your hands there with me. A breast no go, my breast no go. We no go, my way no go. Baba with this. Many bad guy. Where blue no for me? We are me funny man. A blue no for me. You go wrong. You go wrong. Post the blue film. Post the video don't be away from me. Post the breast. At least make sure we for a face of error. You understand? Even when you wait for me, post make sure we face of error. Not back avec ba. Or whether you are, I could the road on the Yanu Hime, Eri away for me. Eh? Or if we for you, warrior. Yeah, sister, my daughter for you, Tina. No, no post here, or mother, you. Would they hear? About with this man. Well, we record of him, but my record of him. And I can't know what me. Now, you guys are supposed to be playing my record. We're not on a mission. You go to a man's house with mission. At least you fulfill your mission. Have the man record. Have the man detail everything about have it. Or a man or video, post the video. And then you're not going to mission. With the mission, we are screaming. How can you be on a mission when you're screaming? La why should nobody me why I get matter not good now. If I verse not go like me. You understand? Just the truth. Even when Billy will send in mass send there, even when Billy may send in mass send there. If you don't know, you know. That's when you believe say I send, I don't send them. Because I also call you. If you don't get away, as fast as marry God me, Martine, on la didn't know Aroyo Kame, or him on hair we. If you ain't sorted well, you get well. Because I for know what I will tell you. Not be lie. I forget what I will tell you. But I will not insult you. I will not insult you. Unfortunately, they thought we will call me. Yeah, because for the past how many weeks now, I can't tell you what call me. Because yeah, when I have to report you. And I'm gonna take time. I'm not going to go joking now. You go past this kind of place. Because I'm going to drag you. Or when I'm going a marriage me who if family of or can marry bride price. Why I tell us again? We cannot tie. Why they want Latin? Was again, and I have social media. On our social media, they have phone. What do you know? Social media. You don't hear. You understand? I'm gonna you move video. Or you don't my mom. You understand? I'm gonna you move video. Or you don't and more. My way I dig a one. No tie live video no soon. You want to want to money more see like the was yes a gua. And I'm going to drag you away. That's the truth. I'm going to drag you away. Now you're tired to tell you the truth. Let me go drag you. With this no doing any bride price or Denny me. You know, David bride price in me. Take this the other bride price in me. Why I was here was I was born. Thank God where my joking. Queen mother. Are you queen mother? Where's my drink? I want you. I wait, Prince Father. What do we are? This way, queen mother will go and solve this issue in the presence of Prince Father. I've been a King Father. Like this now. You understand? So for those of my lovely fans who did disappointed yesterday for the video my wife do one of us. You understand? Why I agree. Or few now. Because she fed do one video which they sing for some moto. I see the video. You understand? I see the video, I just laugh. I laugh for the video, but I just comment, I just pass. You understand? So I was shocked when I received people this right saying my wife was so I go watch Saga. I reached out yesterday, we just talk. I was like, how far? That's the way I do videos soon. I never even watched Saga. I do video yesterday. I thought it just would dig me. My Saga. My ears are now going with Saga. No, I be. You born okay. Can you imagine? This disrespect. Much shame. Okay, I will live video. Matthew okay I will live video. Why? On a retrouvé nous ya rovinien. Because il y a TV, il y a TV, il y a quoi ni goin. Il y a un homme nous bani tiens ouais il go rovinien. Il m'a là que il go ya rovinien. Il y a la diane, il a ouais no. So okay nous de la il y a TV. I not go greet let time do that video. So no, you are wrong there. You're supposed to seek my opinion first. Even though you want to do that video, there are ways you do that kind of video. And you go say, babe, say you go to talk to her, not be this way to do as well. I'm not saying that with anger, with a verse. Now you to do this video. I'm born now. You understand? So no verse. Because I remember one video where we say Monica they talk about me, my go during that bowl level. You go call me, say, yeah, Monica go and we go on. Okay, my man don't go Monica. Oga ye join the ban. Asaladian. Uriakai alalwe. No. Na hangie. I laugh around. That time we prepare for burial where I go last. Not burial where we what and no where we other what but so that's not say Mama forget that thing. Forget it. The way it is my wife for that video. My wife reported to me. Now I take caller. You know, I'm what you like forget what's auto. But see, Monica. Leave Monica live a boo. You saw you know you've been there for many years. Oh boy, do I'm like you made dinner, mommy, no view. Oh, yeah, Monica. Well, forget the issue now. On mention him deliberate, or isn't him daji. Issue not fresh. Ya da ya agmon. Only like what's go master. When I already mommy let her colleague now. Issue not daily. It's not daily. You keep it on the air now. Forget those stuff. We talk. Eri, I say Monica. Where's Monica? You are a married woman, whatever we don't go though. Only mommy women who are not fully good. You have children. Moreover, your children are grown up children. You were young, honey. The two of your children are working. Ego is working. Not general, not general. It's working. The overall seen only water. What's the problem? Relax yourself. You want to do video and that video comfortably without making noise with people. That do something with people. And you know at your age, I do see about social media. Boy na dele, na egbe all those young girls. Some make sense. Avasa. Ona engwe kan yan do ya shine. Yan do ya saga continue. We show me ale working do saga. We ati working saga. We show me na go wa give you every chance we. No you can wa la we every minute every seconds. We ati be every saga. Na sister lawa. We mu na ye kevi mu na. Understand? I'm on the organic. You are in 51 years. This month, next month, you can be 50 years. You go to wherever back. You understand? Where I'm married me, you no matter where marry me. Me na am go where marry me. When I have you can be, it didn't know. You know. Where marry you can be. Ya go because na rotin. Where marry me na decide me am marry where me am go where let me. That just question they ask. Why you can't feel say, nah, did I go marry? I follow young girls. A young girls will be live video. Eh, young girls will be live video. Why making them out white tie? And the day like why you go you over. A young girls will ban on live video. Why you like that when you see the day? Because you got the document. I have a document without any respect. Never money me. They are married anything you being about Jesus Christ. Everybody used to come on no be like you become a street. This is the problem with many of our men. I want marry small girl, live the day. The small girl will born for you now. You throw away your lot for outside, you do streets. It's not better you deal with it, then you get pride, you get dignity as a man. Than deal with small girls at the end of the day, you will be useless on the street of Italy. You will be useless on the street of Germany. Go and see many men of Germany that are frustrated. Who frustrated? Not be single mother. Now when I want go to Germany, go and see how many men are frustrated in Germany. They are paying child benefit for nothing in a new home. Go walking another house, another apartment. In a salon, they are frustrated. Go to France, go see how many men they sleep for streets. When I get it, then I walk we here. You don't be untouchable Bella. I don't see Godmothers. Then I go and no might be a winner. What's the name of your ya? Then might be a winner with that way. Malay young get, let's get better. Malay young not be anyway. Then might be a winner. What's the name of the state of Yana? Here, Lady Bieme. Baby Gualamon or Gualamon. No, we joke about the record. They don't know here for mission. All here to be a baby, or hello, Bieme. Yen be. When I be no me. Ebe ya ali no ma. Ena be we bole le boso ma Italy. Ena be we no we gbina na. Vosi le be wa na Italy, be wa na on be. Vosi le ma Italy. Abe wa ke pa be ya Italy. Now we survive you now. E no koso na ma be wa. E we be temo gina me. E we be temo gina me. Mesia inu we na sia inu ne. E we be temo gina me. You so no boy yin we. The matter na to talk grave na. You respect the woman what people respecting keep e can. I go so disrespect you. Keep respecting to yourself. Don't let me start disrespecting you. Because the more you come out and start insulting my wife, I will not take it lightly with you. That's the truth. Immediately in your marriage, you come away, in your marriage, Kevin, when you marry Kevin, Malaki Kevin. Near marry Kevin, you can must have you can some way. You use my spoiler. Oh, no, my head there. Somebody you have not known before from Adam. You did discourage me and not marry her. I said, I don't hear you. You go here, say I don't do marriage. Now what I tell you? Your husband was there. When I do marry, your husband called me, your husband pray for me. Over here in the room, when you was set, you know Saga, was set. You can have no Bulladian. You can have no Bulladian. Or I said, no second, those are gamen. Where's the guy was you can be? Where the gear can be Meladian, a man Meladian, walking to Meladian. You can be walking up Meladian. You may be Meladian now. Walking to Meladian. More time with you go back. More to hang over Hanua. I guess not the friend now. Give on not going any friend. Okay. Here I am by well. Okay, no, yes. I'm a traditional man. You look back. In I am ya. You see, could understand with me. As of no any. Okay, no problem. So far the peace here. So far there's peace. You know, okay, now good. I've said this time starting about on social media. And I create a WhatsApp. Women Wife Association. You know, how you wear in our way. I will be like here, just here, Bokeke. Here, Gua. Here, discourse. Here, discourse with the WhatsApp group. And here, how you are away with the WhatsApp group. The other non beginner. A WhatsApp group on our record there. Based on, then they said that the three of them they talk. You should see how demonic some woman is. The three of these three women, they are discussing. She was recording. Now, the other one, my friend, she cut the other one voice come out. They play only market view. That's what you see as now 1 minute voice record. 1 minute voice record that they play. She they cut the other woman on comments. They play only her own. Il est fier. Ou fier women. Now. You know all these things. You know say me on live fake life. A fake life you may live in it. Also me yati you me yati akunu because why? And you know that life they cut the life video. Me cut the life video. Ah, set the life that way. If me hear marry could be in the line. Even if you don't to as a king. You know yeki. Ugun basia. Oh your Bible. That's our tradition. Understand now? Then you now, who will support the Nick bar? What the Bono? Make an alley. Why take one? Why take one? Where are you? What you woman, why set it on who? Who have wedding with woman, may value her when he say, who had diamond in the lay. May value her when he say, who had diamond. That go to way, see my wife get. I value and pass. Diamond to way wrong. We call it disgraceful for live video. If you know, make you know now. Sister Tobe, see one way. Coco don't want so, everyone also look more, also put on. That's what I mean. What I said the day I value my day. Or ebony and what I want to now. Ebony one winner. Or my woman, I balloon, ebony winner. Ebony winner. Mais not yet the day you are. It doesn't matter the 11 hour you live video. It doesn't matter you live video. It doesn't matter you are. It doesn't matter the bossy. No matter young girl, will also marry that black beer live video. No more, who black beer live video. You are talking to me. You are a madman. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Our bonnet will have a big ekman, as is that. When a big banner, who know you're the lady. Unu why we bona why so what do or dressing man we or dressing man when I feed the rally era wa as customer traditions demand or when you or mukba bonu yak bo man ko bona e pa we go unu why we the man don't want life video yeah but why life video man why we talk form get into good as a wife. That's how she feed me. Because she was trained the last. The Miami. Then you know I expect you to say Bogoni. Even then, make a wound in me. It is mega wound in me. You get to look on the web. Then open a rocket, send a woman yase. Make it book on Ejo. Young baby will make Ejo. He dies, be. Upon what can I assure you? You can be your gun or Agbagu, one of the church generation. Do a man and come on. You can be is my Agbagu, one of church generation. Sister, Bammy, some Gaggy beer, Montamu. What last get what Sadic, get what you're here. Get out of here. Not by yourself. Get what Belka you here, not level. Who will never diamond here, you know, like the so piano, a Frankie Oven, a when we were so. Equal, oh, other like the attack. It be a gaggle ma, a man at your moe. Other room to tell everywhere, a that fuck me. Can you imagine? What do I feel? Graph, my own angel. Angel that was sent from above to grease my heart. Even when all the oil in my heart dry, she greased it all. I feel like, how dare you? Osaropa yame. Ikoni maya kboto. Amre mia. Ikoni maya umia ure mia. Before you see the chat to go hard. But you got me out grab the old rush as it hot. Eya rush and look water. Wag baby. Wag bokame. You can why say water for because why? You guys are here formats. That's the reason why when I did my marriage electrically. Marriage no sub bubble up. Go ask. Go ask. And how that can go. If we company, we need to say mat. We need to say mat company in marriage. How military man handle marriage. Colonel handle marriage. We need to say mat. He lost his boy. The marriage me. You matter my video no go. Yeah, I can show you the video. Just the way, just the play. Uma wanna say frack consider down. Where we tali now? Where may I live here? Where may I live like me in Nigeria? You know? You don't know now. I'm not gonna pra for you. I don't want you to know that you will talk. I don't know anything. Oh, they look and laugh. Yeah, what the coin was a gig. It didn't have a home. It was Facebook now. It was too, yeah. It was too, yeah. It's not too, but in Facebook, you know something? Hey, she. Well, I was asking, but I was saying, eh? Young man, Senna. They man, woman, but you go there. Wa sona. Nido pe marriage men. Nido post sur Facebook. Ouais c'est. Ya Provoke point to who. E marriage men in Nigeria. You let's see picture. I have the CD. The CD. On a recordé marriage men. Already Jamie. On a recordé marriage men. Already Jamie. Mozart. On a recordé marriage already Jamie. Or bien on marriage Jamie. You on recordé marriage men. 247. Most of the management they are in Europe. Most of those guys, all those my groom men, my men of suit, all my men of suit, only two be, only two you, all two no one, not one already on the roster. Nancy do Nigeria. For my marriage for Nigeria, my ex now, my ex-wife. You don't know what manager will do. Go ask. Where me a Facebook there? Me I got the cut up for Facebook at the Chris. Oh, why me okay? Come live video. Then you do live leave my private life to on Facebook. Do I monitor? We don't monitor screen. I just make Facebook. I don't monitor. Then what you monitor man? There are things you put on social media. There are things you don't put on social media. There are some achievements you don't put on social media. Oh, why me automatically why cast your Facebook echo? Nobody that knew that I was building. Why you cast me on Facebook? If I work on my destiny, if I work on my destiny, you came out when I was casting with Boaveco. And when you go back, I want to let. When I went to my they run away. You were the one that cast it. That was where the problem started from. Because I just look up. What warrant that talk? What now warrant that talk of casting me on social media because of Bonado talk? No matter dota. No care no matter. Là où you go dota lo. Wa ata la vidéo de la viande. Avec vidéo ya pour voir vidéo ya donc il y a la vidéo donc ben là où donc ben là you so why moi qui vous permission na ben ya pour voir que nous mais c'est là ben il boit c'est na donc ben il me ri ni we na you understand what to il we no last banana da kam wa to wa pe ri edo o teme no ma agbon re obi bagwa ni musi Mr Destiny e bagwa o ma de et olode mais olode je le pour l'obé on le dit 20 € or 50 €. Amen point sachet of pure water o ma de me marriage me o e tell me go no ya joy times 2 million ima ya high ho one day ima ya hate destiny ho one day ima ya hate wala ho one day ima ya hate many of them like that ho one day when one ibu there Facebook area destiny there Facebook e destiny call me and me remember when we marriage we do we might TV might call might invite me the same thing with Oduma call me and was made me. You understand? This many of them like that they too plenty. You know when you agree. Yeah, here we go. And we advise. That's what I said. Yeah, if I want to do my Europe marriage, I know what to do. Only just between me and my family and the other family. I agree. Bastard. Here you go. I believe you heard from the horse's mouth. Near time already, any marry you, any marry no sooner, any marry no play because why? I knew Abiyo were using my symbols to get information from me. Here go sit down and listen good. He was using my symbols to get information from me. Imomira, Imomiji. Uronukpogeva, mon Dion. We had the word down here when I listen when I share this video. Here go, this is what you don't know. I want to let you know now so that we're here going here can. Uronukpogeva, me now Dion. Urono Dion or okay, very the first wife we have boy. Why I'm the second wife? First son. Now, According to tradition, if you want to do anything, as long as my father is not got mom, the first son, which from the first wife, it is now our father. Anything you want to do, we call on him. He stands for us. As a father. My siblings are under me. That's why you see, if anything want play now, now me they call. You know, the people, the rest of the day, you go call me. Remember, you know, we put heads together, we talk. Once we talk, it's only just to go there and answer to them. My woman, my time, that's a bastard. Yeah, Yahweh. The management set. The first person I called was him. And he had a who? Oh, we had a who? Okay. Luckily, my own brother, he may see me on a road with me. They don't know the toy. He may see you go get her. Third one, which is the only girl here on a road with me. On the toy. We are discussing. Fortunately for me, no. Yeah, discussing with here. No, Papa, me tell me too well. You know, I was in this house. I'm not my video. Not my video. I'm before you can be not to you. I only hang for now, you can shift back. Not shift, but not booking like not turn around. Give me 360. My senior brother also. I'm not turn around, not okay. I will make my now powerful. Be what moving zero. Like me. Maybe you. Then we are a bit half on ugly. It was or yes, just young. In my yak bill, a bell for a bit. Yard of Guama. Yarwa, you open your good ya. I said, I talk better. But anyway, now, actually, later, my way I go. Then we start planning. Then, you see that go viral for social media. I bet what's to do all the grand work. There's no right time. Yeah, I make sure you have your Facebook now. Yes. Because you carry it. Yeah, like I do say, never. Okay, I do hear now. I'm not do hear now. You go for it. I do hear now. Come on, not do hear. You go for it. Oh, who does he? It is good you live a very genuine life, sincere life. Life that is not. You know what? More live that side. Then, the same my same place that was happy. Yo, Papa, we say they are becoming me. Bros, when we marry, bros, when we do, bros, when we do. A guy. Now my brother said, bro, you know me now. Only marry one wife for. Why I'm going on or you don't why I'm going home away, eh? Meanwhile, why you choke when I. And Baba, I don't know what to do. This is a walk by what to think so. I will boy you. Now you. You go to that. That you. I want to give you brief small thing. Which you don't know. Before I know what happened, my siblings that was happy. If you know, there you are. If you are now who I call my. If you remember, can they be all happy? We are. Me go. They be happy with me. You think God would give my wife joy? If I know what did happen, if you're coming, you want to see me direct. You say, "Party mama, what you mean, bro? Safana, I do. I know you're happy with you. After some months, some weeks, be some days. What did he play? Yeah, no, no, be no, or minute, no, yene. Everything I'm are you mad? Are you stupid? What's the problem? Are you mad? Are you okay? How dare you? I will not talk to my wife like that. Go worry. Hey, when you go, I go one boy or one. Now, change that for her. See, what are you? Now, guy, see, who are provoke me, I will block you. Are you mad? What me go running? What away? I caught for you. I want to let nonsense. The next thing, my brother call me. Not 30 minutes. Remember, Viens à tirer. But when you or tearing, or a man, or I'm going to have, or women support to wear, mon back you up, you want to win off a bit. Away enough, I'm with that. What managing hoodoo, that money cannot hoodoo. When I'm with that, women rights. When I interfere, anybody not who did the way here, marry. Boy, my 7 year, my brother. Or two way, or you interfere, you marry any marriage who we are. Or two come over no one in my wallow. Cannot be a part of this family. Or two that rights. Women that rights. I saw that word you or two. Oh, yes, my don't also agree one year, 1 hour away. Not a women. And why would it? After now, you was again. I hear you would have now. See me? All year in. Or I go to come over here when we are single emoji the Majua. And was him. I want to know. A bonarity no win on my way I would be. Or Dio Ticuno. I want to know. Off with me. We'll talk with rest. My baby, we calling it. My mom last born. Or is email last born, email last born. Only way like that. Oh, you're not turning with another. Not do me tea. You know what I mean? Only I'll be worried in a handbag. Now you're not get poor. You have to report. You know, we are behavior. You might like it. Just relax. I don't want to I'll be you are. Now relax. You know, women a WhatsApp group. Rob women a WhatsApp. The WhatsApp group women. No, you can't rubbish matter. That's a be you are. That was when Nala David do come up. You want none of Shafi David do what happened. We were not saying this was what happening indoor. You go where my what go happen well. Go away for this way. She might tell you that's my business. Then a choice even nobody tells me who to marry. I know what I see in her and I grab it. That's it. And that's who I was looking for. You understand? Very humble. So, what's the next thing? Now we are not introduction. Bah. Introduction set. I did my introduction in Amagba. Ohorome community. Even now, we tired now. That is where you don't sit down. Ebo Amagba is my in-law. Don't know. What's coming on? I'm breaking it for you today. Okay? But so what answer you like the way Abraham was coming to your marriage? In our care. Now what can look in me? Or the marriage we had of him. That's my in-law. In our gear. In our pin down. Went to Horomi. Dog Kagbe. Man, to the show. And I'll list him. It's been a next 2 weeks. The next week, next week, here the marriage. The second. Yeah, we are for fast now, yes. Next week, here the marriage. No problem. No problem. We agree. Then, why did this woman say, why did this woman make that statement? I want to explain that why I say, on our destiny or dead in your way. You need to be smart with Nigerian people. Share this video and invite my go to sit down and sit down very careful. This is Omenwe Moa Baba with this man, the king of social media, the Omenwe Nel Mozuo. Immediately, the list was given. And I went here, David. 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 Basketball started. Because they want chop for inside. So they want to go back to they want chop. Yeah. Okay, but you know if you don't work, you list me. You know what you're doing. This one bring list. This one bring list. This one bring list. When I see lists, I laugh. I call a friend from beginning there. I call out. After I was so the level said, Baba, once someone is come for you, I go check, ask for price of this list for market. Then give me the bonus, give me the calculation. When you get asked of the price of the list, now block. As it can't even be cheaper than the one way family they give me. I say, okay, this one rip me. They want rip me. Going to top portable. They want to rip me. I said, okay, we are smart. Now I call my PA. Alpha. Take this to go market. Go give me the estimate. As my PA go market, he go come back. He give me exactly the same estimate where my guy give me. One down here. Now forward many estimate go give him. Big. I said, what's the happen? Which kind of money be this one? I said, guy. I said, what's happening? Go market. Buy those things. You buy and finish. Take taxi. Pay the taxi man. It's done. Give the taxi man address. Please forward and go to my father's house. Say, now my friend he be, now he buy and come. I give the taxi man 20,000 naira. Say, guy, run this thing for me sharply. I don't want to involve that my PA, and I ain't born. And that's what